When it comes to a transmission working properly, one of the most important variables is a proper working valve body. The valve body consists of almost 100 different valves, springs, and check balls which need to move freely through the bores or channels in the valve body. The tolerances are so critical that even a human hair will cause a valve to stick, which will result in a failure of the transmission. The valve body process begins with complete disassembly of the valve body and of all the valves and springs. The entire valve body, as well as every single valve and spring, are cleaned by hand. Once the entire valve body cleaning process is complete, each component is individually examined for wear, damage, and breakage. Only after all components pass inspection does the valve body assembly process begin. The valve body assembly process is performed in a clean room, free of dirt and other contaminants. Once the valve body assembly process is complete, it is mounted onto the transmission for final assembly. When the valve body is installed on the manufactured transmission, all of the bolts are set to factory torque specifications to ensure that all valves will be moving freely. Flushing the transmission cooler lines and radiator is crucial prior to installing the transmission into the vehicle. Failure to flush, or improper flushing, will result in low or high line pressure, no upshifts, missed shifts, erratic shifts, no movement, or catastrophic failure of gear assemblies and clutches. You must ensure that the transmission lines and radiator are flushed properly and all of the contaminants are removed.